Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make frozen herb cubes using rosemary. Let's get to it. Using fresh rosemary can be a bit of a pain, right? So first off, you want to start off by washing and fully drying the herb. The next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to peel those little tiny leaves off the rosemary. So I'm going to show you how to do it quickly though. I have this fun little hack using a fork that easily removes them. So you just, the thing I like about this method, the fork, the tongs, as it gets closer to the bottom of the fork, it gets narrower, right? So it fits any size rosemary, whether you get it from the farmer's market or the grocery store or the co-op, wherever you're purchasing it from, it can have varying sizes. So the fork's really great for that method. So I like just push the fork, push the rosemary into the fork wherever it kind of fits, and then just quickly drag it across, and boom, all those leaves pop off. Do you see that? Okay, I'll show you one more time. So just push the rosemary in, and then just slide the fork through, and all the rosemary comes right off. Super simple. So you can leave it whole at this point if you want to, or you can chop it up. I'm gonna mince it up because I'm using, as you might expect, these Wonder Woman ice cube trays to put to make my rosemary freezer cubes, and so I need to have it minced for that. But you can use it whole, it's up to you. The thing that I do recommend, because rosemary is such a pungent herb, that you actually have varying degrees of measurements. So you might want to have, a half teaspoon, a teaspoon, or a tablespoon. I see a lot of food blogs out there where they say just do a tablespoon, but depending on what you're cooking with, that might be too much rosemary. So I'm going to go ahead and mince mine up. And then after I chop it up, I'm going to go ahead and add it into the ice cube trays, the Wonder Woman ice cube trays, and then just take the olive oil and just top it off. You can also use melted butter. I just think it's a little bit more of a hassle. I mean, it's still nice if you mostly cook with butter and maybe you don't use oil, but you have to then melt it and deal with that part. So I find the oil makes it a little easier, but it's just up to you. So just top the trays off with the oil and then put it in the freezer. Put it in the freezer for overnight. Once they're completely frozen, you'll be able to tell because that oil gets really cloudy. Pop them out of the tray. So this is the part where I recommend just using regular trays because the Wonder Woman ones are kind of a pain, but I still like them, so I'm still gonna do it. So just pop them out of the tray, and then you're gonna put them in a bag and just mark the bag with either the measurements or, mark them with the measurements, but also the date, because they'll last about a year in the freezer this way. And there you go. That's all it takes to make rosemary freezer cubes. So the thing that's wonderful about this is next time you're cooking, just take one of those cubes, throw it in the pan, start sauteing it with your garlic, your onion, whatever savory dish you're making, and you're good to go. Super simple, right? Okay, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Something that you want to see, just drop a comment below. And if you'd like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. So please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.